Hey there. So, let's talk about a common problem that many users face when trying to capture network traffic within a network namespace and view it in Wireshark on the host. The issue arises when running dump inside the target namespace and writing the capture to a name pipe, but encountering a permission denied error when trying to view it in Wireshark on the host. It's quite a frustrating problem, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the solution provided. The first step involves copying both the Wireshark and Dumpcap executables to a different directory, making the Dumpcap binary on by you an executable. This simple action already sets the stage for a smoother process. It's all about tweaking the permissions to work in our favor, right? Continuing with the solution. After copying the executables, you just need to run Wireshark from that new directory. By executing Wireshark from the modified location, you pave the way for a more seamless experience when viewing the captured network traffic. Small changes can lead to big improvements, don't you think? Building on that, the next step involves making a copy of the Dumpcap executable on by you. This action allows you to have greater control over the permissions and configuration, ensuring a more tailored approach to handling network traffic captures. It's all about taking ownership and making things work in your favor, right? Next up in the solution is entering a user namespace to overlay the Dumpcap executable with different permissions. By creating this unique environment, you gain root capabilities within the namespace, enabling you to manipulate the necessary files and settings to streamline the process. It's like having your own little sandbox to play in, but with network traffic instead of sand. To wrap it up, inside the namespace shell, you mount your modified Dumpcap over the path Wireshark expects, and then run Wireshark from within the same shell. This final step completes the setup, allowing you to seamlessly view the captured network traffic in Wireshark without encountering any more pesky permission issues. And there you have it, a clever workaround to a seemingly tricky problem. Well, that's a wrap for today. I hope this solution helps you conquer any challenges you face when capturing and analyzing network traffic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy networking!